Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Monday, March 21st. Oh, whoops, it's no longer the 21st, it is the 22nd. Whoops. All right, and today we are going to be covering odds. All right, so for today, we are going to start off, we're continuing on with our podcasting pages, but for our do now, you guys are doing your 30-day writing challenge. Today's day 26, you guys are almost there. I want you guys to go ahead and describe your dream home. Provide as many details as possible. So feel free to add images as well to your description as well. I want to see these dream homes. You guys have amazing imaginations. You guys want things so clearly that I just kind of want to picture what's going on. What do you think would be awesome to have? Is that a slide going down the middle? Is that a bouncy castle in your house? What is it going to look like? And then we are continuing on with our podcasting pages. So I gave you guys today another day to brainstorm because I saw a lot of you guys were starting to finish your reflections, go through those, go through the videos. I gave you guys an extension for this. So you're going to type your topics here, and then you are going to start researching. Today is mainly your research day. So you're going to start looking for articles based on your topic. If you can only find one, that's fine. But that might be the reason why maybe you just stick to one. If you're doing articles on video games, you'll find plenty of articles out there. All you have to do is Google them, my friends. And then all you have to let me know is your final topic. My final topic is blank because blank. So it's conferencing time, folks. I will be meeting with some of you this period to discuss your topics and how far along you are. Remember, we can't move in this project if you guys have not selected a topic. When you are invited to the breakout room, you need to make sure to join. Make sure to have your topic or topic ideas. Any articles you have and your podcasting pages. All of this is in your podcasting pages, so you guys should be good. Starting our next classroom meeting, we will most likely start moving on to the next set of podcasting pages, so I need to make sure y'all are on point. All right, ladies and gentlemen? As always, if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. For those of you that are maybe struggling on finalizing your topic, what are 2 steps you can take to finalize your topic? What would make you feel more secure about talking about your topic? All right, ladies and gentlemen, as always, if you have any questions, you can send me an email, you can reach out to Ms. Arroyo, you can reach out to both of us, and I will see you guys in class.